If you are just getting started with one big green, it is important to understand how your service portfolio is structured. The easiest way to explain the architecture is with a practical example. We begin in the service sites section, where you set up your accounts. At the highest level are service sites. These represent the locations where your company provides service. You can create them manually or import them in bulk. Once your sites are created, the next level is services. Currently, the system supports 3 types of services: interior, exterior, and floral. A 4th type, holiday, is currently in development and will be added soon. A single site can have more than one service. For example, the same customer may receive both interior and exterior plant care. You can also use service nicknames to split a service into multiple parts, for example, living wall and floor plants. In this case, both remain part of the interior service, but you can assign different technicians, supervisors, and schedule them on different days. If no nickname is specified, the system defaults to all service site. Services are structured under sites so you can add multiple services per site, schedule them on different dates, assign different technicians and supervisors, and manage separate sets of plant displays for each service or its individual parts. A common question is how to handle customers with multiple locations. Should this be one site or several? The rule is simple. If you always service all facilities in one visit, with the same technician, and the locations are close together, you can record them as one site and one service. This simplifies scheduling and reporting. However, if the facilities are serviced on different days or by different technicians, it is better to split them into separate services, even if they are both interior. You can then use nicknames to clearly distinguish them. Next come the service inventories. Each service has its own inventory consisting of displays. So what exactly is a display? In interior service, a display is typically one container with one or more plants. A living wall is also considered one display. In exterior service, a flower bed is treated as a display as well. If you have several containers grouped in a coordinated style, we recommend recording the entire group as one display. This way, when replacing a plant, you can see that it belongs to a styled set and make better replacement decisions. Inside each display, you can add planters, and inside each planter, you can add plants. Use the plus icon next to the display name to add a planter, then the plus icon next to the planter to add plants. Plants can also be moved between planters, and displays can be duplicated within the same service. Some companies choose to record only plants for replacement tracking and skip planters. This is also supported. If you add a plant directly from the display menu, the system creates placeholder planters automatically. These placeholders can be hidden using the checkbox at the top if you prefer not to see them. As a general rule, for leased accounts we recommend specifying planters, since they are part of your company's assets. For regular maintenance accounts, recording planters is optional. In the back office, you can also review the maintenance history of any display. Click the plus icon next to the display picture and select View History. The history includes all maintenance actions, replacement records, field notes, and change logs. Use the checkboxes to filter entries and quickly find the information you need. Now let's talk about the site structure. Within a service site, you can create floors, zones, and rooms. Floors are the top level and can be subdivided into zones and/or rooms. These levels are used to specify the location of plant displays within the site. You can also filter your service inventory by floor or by zone to quickly find what you need. So to recap the structure, service sites contain one or more services. Services can include nicknames to split work into separate schedules or technician assignments. Each service has an inventory containing one or more displays. Each display can include one or more planters. Each planter contains one or more plants. Service sites can also include floors, zones, and rooms. Displays can be assigned to a specific floor, zone, or room to record their location. This architecture is designed specifically for plant service businesses. It works equally well for simple setups, such as one site with one service and a few single plant containers, and for complex environments with multiple services per site, grouped displays, living walls, and large exterior installations. This data structure delivers significant value to customers. It creates clear service visibility, improves scheduling accuracy, and enables technician-level accountability. It also provides precise inventory tracking, better replacement decisions, and complete maintenance history at every level. As a result, customers gain cleaner reporting, more consistent service quality, and a scalable system that grows with their portfolio without becoming harder to manage.